Welcome to dNAxt. We are discussing class A subnetting, and in this video we'll be discussing slash 19. So slash 19 suggests that there are 19 bits, total 19 bits that are assigned to your network, and remaining 13 bits, 8 plus 5, 13 bits are of the host, and 19 bits are of your network. Out of these 19 bits, 8 bits are the default network bits, and remaining 8, 9, 10, 11 bits are your sub network bits. You have borrowed these bits from the host section, right? Let's write down its subnet mask. It's 255.255.224.0, right? 128 plus 64 plus 32, that is 224.0. How many sub networks we will get? That is 2 to the power 11. That comes out as 2048. These many sub networks means you are breaking down, you are slicing up your major network or the IP addresses that are available with you into 2048 different sub network, and in each sub network how many hosts will be there, that we will calculate with the help of formula 2 to the power y minus 2, and y is the number of host bits. We have 13 host bits, so 2 to the power 13, 2 to the power 13 is 8,000. I'll write directly 8,192, and you have to subtract 2 from it, as in each subnetwork there will be one network ID and one broadcast ID. So actual number of machines or endpoints or hosts that you can accommodate in each subnetwork is 8,190. What are the valid subnet? What will be the increment? There will be an increment of 1. There will be an increment of 1 in the second octet, and for third octet, let's calculate 255 minus 224, sorry, 256 minus, according to formula, it's 256 minus 224. That means there will be an increment of 32. So let's write down all the not all, we will not be writing all 2000, few of them. 10.0.0.0 increment, there will be increment in both the octets, as we have borrowed bits from these two octets. But first we'll do increment in the third octet, followed by increment in the second octet. So let's write it down. 10.0. First increment in the third octet, our increment is of 32. So 10.0.32.0, 10.0.64.0, 10.0.96.0, 10.0.128.0, 10.0.160.0, 10.0.192.0, 10.0.224.0. And now if you add 32 over here, you will get 256. So at that time, you will do increment of 1 in the second octet. Now 10.1.32.0. So all these second, third and fourth octet will repeat themselves for 1. Here they are for 0. Then they'll repeat themselves for 1. Then for 10.2.0.0, 10.2.32.0. This will go on. Then 3, then 4, then 5. And the last subnetwork that you are going to get is 10.255.224.0. Okay, so this is all about our slash 19. Now let's write down their broadcast ID. What will be the broadcast ID of this? 10.0.31.255. 10.0.63.255. So what we are doing, we are not disturbing the first two octet. We will start with where we are doing the increment. So increment वाला जो octet है वहाँ पे उसका previous number लिखना है while writing the broadcast ID. Next network ID का previous number will come in the octet of increment of the broadcast ID, and since last octet is of purely host, you will write down 255 over there. Clear? For this, it will be 10.0.159.255. For this, it will be 10.0.255.255. For this, it will be 10.1.63.255. Okay. For this, it will be 10.255.255.255. Okay. The first valid host will be 10.255.224.1, and the last valid host is 10.255.255.254. Okay. So this is all about slash 19. We'll be discussing slash 20 in the next video. So stay tuned. Thank you.